In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create form view in Airtable. Data collection 2026. First, head to airtable.com in your browser. If you don't already have it bookmarked, type the address directly and press enter. This takes you to the Airtable homepage where you can access your workspace. Sign into your account using your usual method. If you see any security checks, such as a verification code or single sign-on prompt, complete those quickly to continue. Once you're in, Airtable will bring you straight to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your recent items and workspaces. This area makes it easy to jump back into a base you've been working on. Take a moment to locate the base where you want to collect responses, or decide if you want to start fresh. Open an existing base if you already have a table with the fields you want, or create a new base from scratch if you're starting a new project. If you're building a new base, it helps to add the fields you plan to collect through your form, things like name, email, multiple select options, or attachments, so the form has the right inputs ready to go. Inside the base, make sure you're on the correct table. On the left side, you'll see your Views panel. This is where different ways of seeing your data live, like grid, calendar, and form. At the top of that Views panel, find the plus button to create a new view. Click it to open the list of view types. From the list, choose Form. This tells Airtable you want a form view that feeds responses directly into your table. Next, Airtable may offer an upgraded form builder experience. You can pick the modern form builder or create a classic form view from scratch. Both work well. The upgraded builder makes layout and styling more intuitive, while the classic form view keeps everything simple and tied closely to your table fields. Choose the one that fits your workflow. After choosing, give your form a clear name so teammates and respondents recognize it. You'll also be prompted to pick who can edit the view. Collaborative allows everyone with access to adjust the form. Personal keeps it just for you, and locked prevents changes without permission. Select the option that matches your governance needs. Then click Create New View. Your form view is now ready. Review the included fields, reorder them if needed, hide any internal fields you don't want to collect, and mark important fields as required. Add helpful descriptions to guide respondents. When you're satisfied, you're set to start collecting clean, structured data directly into Airtable.